agua. Okay, let me get somewhere where I think you guys can hear me. Woo! What a happy morning it is. So, well, actually, is there any point in me trying to talk? So basically, my idea was to pass by quickly Casa del Abuelo. It's a famous spot here in Madrid for Gambas al Ajillo. Gambas al Ajillo is like a garlic prawn dish. In the south of Spain, they call it Gambas pil, but in Madrid they call it Gambas al Ajillo. And I was surprised to come and find this. It was like it's called a Hispanidad Day. So they're celebrating the South American countries and the connection to Spain. Anyway, we're going to go down to Casa del Abuelo. We had a little bit of a dance, a bit of a move and a shake. Now we need some Gambas al Ajillo to recharge. Oh, I was not expecting that. That was completely surreal. I love it. The energy, the vibe, the happiness. It's what we need in the world. More positivity, more happiness. Let's get it on. Okay, so this is it. This is La Casa del Abuelo. This place has been here for around 100 years now. Originally, from my understanding, it started off by selling sandwiches. And during the war, in the Civil War, due to rationing with flour and wheat and grains, they didn't have enough flour for bread, and the owners of the place started selling Gambas al Ajillo, a garlic prawn dish, which they got from the local markets. It's kind of amazing to think about that, isn't it? Because of a war, you don't have enough flour, access to flour to make bread. So you got to substitute it by having garlic prawns. I mean, come on. Every cloud has a silver lining, or what? Anyway, I'm gonna go get some Gambas al Ajillo. Come and join me. But it's gonna be fun, dabby dozy. This wonderful gentleman's gonna let me film a little bit here. Look at that. Ah, a bit of artistic. Wonderful. Filipino, di ba? Pinoy, di ba? A wonderful Filipino chef. Salamat po.
Hi.
Thanks, buddy. Can I get a Gambas al Ajillo and an agua con gas?
Okay.
Y ya está, nada más. Gracias, hombre. What a nice guy. Thank you. Look at this. You need that. You see the way it's bubbling away, the oil? So basically this is garlic in olive oil with a little bit of chili and a lot of garlic, topped with a dash of parsley. Look at that. That's the oil, that's actually the oil itself that's bubbling away. So this is one of my favorite foods in Madrid. It always has been. Not only Madrid, but all over Spain. I think the first time I ever had this was when I used to go to the south of Spain in Andalusia, and it was always there in the chiringuitos, the little restaurants that are on the bar, on the beachfront, and on the promenades. But down in the south they call it Gambas pil. I think, I'm not 100% sure here, because I've had it so many different ways. I think that in Andalusia they add a bit more saffron to it, gives it more of a reddish color. In my experience in Madrid, they don't normally add saffron to it, but I may be wrong. I don't usually overanalyze it, I usually just eat it and enjoy it. That's one of the things we do in these videos. Now I'm trying to think, well, why is it like this and why is it like that? Normally I would just order and eat. Oh, look at that. This is glorious. Absolutely glorious. One thing I can tell already from looking at it is these are fresh prawns, real prawns that have been peeled. They're not the store-bought prawns, the type you buy in a big see-through bag, they're pre-peeled. The problem with the pre-peeled frozen prawns, they also have this really fishy taste. And this, you can tell just by looking at them. These have been hand-peeled. Now, when you have a restaurant and your speciality is this, hand-peeling these can't be fun. Here we go, let's go. Oh, okay. Okay, I've had these 1,000 times. Okay, maybe I exaggerate. Maybe 600 times. These are good. You can really taste the difference here. The prawns are really freaking good. Considering this is in Plaza Mayor, and it's a place I don't normally eat because it is a tourist area, and I kind of try and avoid the tourist areas, this is a surefire thing. You've got to come here. You've got to do it. There's no question about it. Make sure La Casa del Abuelo, La Casa del Abuelo means the grandmother's house. You've got to come here. You've got to try these. Now, I'm going to order another portion. This is that good. By the way, for those of you who are wondering how much it costs, it's €10.90. €10.90. You'll see on the screen in dollars. I mean, why wouldn't you for that price? Why wouldn't you? Okay, so on a quick side note, I know I should have ordered bread with that and dipped my bread in the sauce, but I just had too much bread today. I didn't want to do any bread. I just wanted the Gambas al Ajillo on its own. I did drink all that lovely olive oil and garlic though. But yes, it would have been better with some bread and you just mop up all that garlicky, oily goodness. So make sure you do get some bread with yours.
No sé lo que me está pasando. Siento que alguien me está llamando. Ella es mi motivation. Corre base en mi mente como béisbol. Baby, yo te soy fiel como Jacob. Dígame yes, baby, don't say no. Imaginando, tu boquita en la mía. Baby, sería un sueño, you know. Pero si fuera real, mi amor,